So today we're heading out to do a beach walk with gorgeous little Florence. It's a bit of a rainy one today though. It's been raining the last couple of days. So hopefully we can get a good run in today too. We just picked up Florence and now we're just heading to the beach. Such a nice spot too with Mount Coolum just over there. Actually go another direction to the beach, but we decided to try out this new spot, and honestly I think it's probably a favorite, and Florence really loves it because it's got plenty of places for her to go for a swim as well, which she absolutely loves. Rain has eased up a bit here, which was really good. Some work over in that area there. I think it would be such a nice spot to go for a walk, maybe in the future. Now just heading into the actual column. reverse camera was fogging up a bit here, so it was a bit of guesswork. Excited for her walk.
Yeah, I feel like this umbrella is not very comfortable.
Usually sheltered
Florence.
here, but today it was actually a little bit windy. Much today as my phone got a little bit wet and started playing up a bit. But I think Florence had a good time. Rugged up and ready to go home. So it was a bit of a rainy day today.
Really?
Yes, it was a bit of a rainy day today.
Yeah. So it was a bit of a rainy day today.
It was a bit of a wild day today.
A wild day today.
Wasn't it, Florence? Was it a bit rainy? Now heading back to take Florence home.
To share her music and stories, check out her artist directory page on the AussieGuyRadio.com website for more info on Cindy Lee Bosky and the usual links. And of course, keep your eye on the Gig Guide. Next week, Aussie Road is back in Sydney for a chat with singer and dancer Shara Rose. Across the nation on Aussie Road. Just ahead, Hex Hot Drop plus a hot new music set with Youth Alive, Music Nabby Lane and the aforementioned Shara.
we're just heading back to our home too.